Are you a car owner worried about your safety on the road? Dash cams are vital for every driver. They capture video evidence that can protect you. Welcome to Secure Cyber Mart. Here are 3 outstanding benefits of installing a dash cam in your car. 1. Improve road safety with crystal clear visibility. 2. Safeguard your vehicle from theft while parked. 3. Relax knowing you have high-quality recordings and night vision. Using a dash cam is simple. Attach it to your car's windshield. Plug it in, and it records automatically. Various models are available to fit every need. Some offer stunning 4K resolution for sharp footage, while others have GPS tracking to log your travels. We'll compare the VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K, Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3, VIOFO A229, BOTSLAB Dash Camera, 70mm Omni, and Garmin DriveCam 76. Stick with us as we break down their pros and cons. If you're thinking of grabbing one, use the affiliate links below. It would greatly help keep Secure Cyber Mart running. Let's jump in! Overview of each dash cam. Kicking things off with the VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K. This powerhouse records front and rear views in stunning 2K resolution, so you won't miss a single detail. It's a dual-channel system, offering complete coverage of your vehicle, like GPS for tracking your location, and parking mode for peace of mind. It has features when you're away from your car. Next up is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. This little gem is all about simplicity and discretion. It's super compact, fitting neatly behind your rearview mirror, and records in full HD. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, no-frills dash cam that's easy to set up and forget about. Another standout from VIOFO is the A229, like its Dual Dash Cam 2K sibling. It's a dual-channel dash cam with high-resolution recording, front in 2K and rear in 1080p. It adds extras like Wi-Fi for seamless file transfers, and even voice control, making it a tech-savvy choice. The BOTSLAB Dash Camera might not be a household name, but it has some cool tricks. This single-channel dash cam focuses on AI-powered features, like real-time incident detection and alerts, offering more than just basic recording. The 70mm Omni is a game-changer, with its 360-degree recording. It captures everything around your car, making it ideal for maximum coverage. Plus, it's budget-friendly, delivering excellent value. Finally, the Garmin DriveCam 76. This isn't just a dash cam. It's an all-in-one device with built-in GPS navigation. It records in full HD and doubles as your road guide. Perfect for drivers who want everything in one package. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty and compare these dash cams across 5 key areas: video quality, field of view, features, ease of use, and price. This will help you pick the one that's right for you. 1. Video quality. VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K and VIOFO A229. Both deliver top-tier 2K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. That means crisp, clear footage perfect for reading license plates or spotting details. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. Sticks to full HD, 1080p, solid but not as sharp as 2K. It's great for basic needs, but might fall short in low-light conditions. BOTSLAB Dash Camera. It is also 1080p, but its AI enhancements help flag key moments, making the footage more useful. 70mm Omni. Records in 1080p across its 360-degree view. The broad coverage can slightly compromise the clarity compared to focused 2K lenses. Garmin DriveCam 76. This camera offers full HD recording and a larger screen for easy playback, though it doesn't reach 2K levels. 2. Field of view. VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K and VIOFO A229. Wide-angle lenses, 140, 160 degrees, cover the road ahead and behind, giving you a broad perspective. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. Its narrower 120-degree view means it captures less of the surroundings. It's fine for straight-ahead recording, but not as comprehensive. BOTSLAB Dash Camera. Around 130 degrees, a decent middle ground for a single-channel cam. 70mm Omni. The champ here with 360-degree coverage, no blind spots, just total visibility. Garmin DriveCam 76. A solid 140-degree view, balancing wide coverage with its navigation perks. 3. Features. VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K. GPS, parking mode, and excellent night vision makes it a feature-packed option. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. Keeps it basic with loop recording. And a G sensor for crash detection, no fancy extras, but it's rock solid. VIOFO A229. Adds Wi-Fi and voice control to the mix, alongside GPS and parking mode for a more modern feel. BOTSLAB Dash Camera. Stands out with AI-driven incident detection and real-time alert smart tech for smart drivers. 70mm Omni. 360-degree rotation, AI motion detection, and app compatibility make it unique and versatile. Garmin DriveCam 76. The big draw is GPS navigation, plus parking mode and incident detection and true multitasker. 4. Ease of use. Garmin DriveCam 76. Its large screen and intuitive controls make it the most user-friendly. No app is required. VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K and VIOFO A229. Small screens are included, but you'll lean on the app. For complete control, easy once you're set up. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. No screen, so you'll need the Garmin app for settings, and footage simple but app-dependent. BOTSLAB Dash Camera and 70mm Omni. Both rely on apps, which are straightforward, and packed with options for managing your recordings. 5. Price. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. The budget is affordable and perfect for those just starting. 70mm Omni and BOTSLAB Dash Camera. Mid-range prices with standout features, offering excellent bang for your buck. VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K and VIOFO A229. Mid to high range, reflecting their premium video quality and dual-channel setups. Garmin DriveCam 76. This is the priciest option, but its navigation combo makes it worth it if you need both. Pros and cons. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons for each dash cam to seal the deal. VIOFO Dual Dash Cam 2K. Pros: amazing 2K video, dual channel coverage, GPS parking mode. Cons: higher price tag, dual camera setup can be a bit tricky to install. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. Pros: tiny size, easy installation, trusted brand. Cons: only 1080p, lacks advanced features like GPS. VIOFO A229. Pros: high-quality dual recording, Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS. Cons: slightly pricier than some single-channel options. BOTSLAB Dash Camera. Pros: AI features, real-time alerts, affordable for what it offers. Cons: lesser-known brand, might raise reliability questions. 70mm Omni. Pros: 360-degree coverage, budget-friendly, cool AI extras. Cons: 1080p resolution doesn't match 2K clarity. Garmin DriveCam 76. Pros: dash cam plus navigation, premium build, wide view. Cons: bulkier and more expensive. There you have it. 6 incredible dash cams, each with its pros and cons. Whether you prioritize video quality with the VIOFO models, simplicity with the Garmin Mini 3, full coverage with the 70mm Omni, BOTSLAB with its AI features, or navigation with the Garmin DriveCam 76, there's something here for everyone. If you're ready to pick one up, we'd appreciate your use of the affiliate links in the description below. It's a simple way to support Secure Cyber Mart, so we can keep bringing you excellent content like this. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the road. Visit Secure Cyber Mart for the complete article and Amazon links.